In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a dumbbell box squat. So firstly, before I get started and show you the exercise, box squats can be done at all different depths. You can do a shallow depth like this one would be. You can get boxes that incorporate a bigger range of motion, so ones that are a lot lower to the ground. And of course, you can get ones in the middle. If I have somebody that wants to do a box squat that doesn't actually have a box, they don't need to go and buy one. They can just use a chair or alternatively a bench that is the appropriate squat height for them. And that all depends on their mobility and how tall they are as well. So let me just show you the box squat without a dumbbell. Then we're going to go through two different grip variations of which you can do when you're doing the exercise. So firstly, if I bring my heels all the way up to the box, I want to make sure that I just come slightly away from the box, feet hip width apart with the toes pointed slightly out. And when I'm slightly away from the box in terms of my heel position, I'm going to put all the weight on my heels and sit back, tap onto the box before coming back up. So I'd be breathing in and breathing out. I'm squeezing my glutes at the top of the movement. Once I'm then past that, we can start to use dumbbells. We've got two grips. We can either have elbows into the body, and I've got the dumbbells resting on my shoulder here, and I can do exactly the same movement, keeping my chest up as I come back, and then come back up to my start position. Or alternatively, we could do a goblet style grip, which is elbows down rather than up, elbows still into the sides of the body, and again, same position and exactly the same cues. Now, one of the questions that I would get asked is, let's say for example for me, would I use this depth? Well, absolutely not. I'd be able to come into a bigger range of motion. But for taller clients, for example, that maybe have limited mobility, that might be perfect. Of course, I'm trying to increase their mobility as a trainer, but I also want to make sure I increase their power through the mobility that they can access as well. So that is a box squat. Pick something that is an appropriate depth for you. You've got those two different grip variations that you can use. And of course, you're going to repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.